Some aerobatics.
Yeah, and I was like, all right. And when she did, I was like, whoa! It was an experience that I was just amazed. I told her I wanted to do it so bad, and then COVID happened, and then my ears start doing this, and I just told her. And then everybody kept saying, do you know how expensive it is? My business partner and friends were like, it's for rich people. You're not rich. I'm like, really? Yeah. You got to go work for a company and go join the military. You're telling me I'm joining the military. I'm like, I'm too old for the military. Like, well, you might have waited too late to do that. And I was like, really? They're like, yeah.